What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Riva, and today we're making a Tarzan. We're making the Tarzan cocktail because there's nothing that I like better than pineapple, citrus, and Campari. That's just a winning combination. This cocktail comes from Zachary Gelnaw Ruben, who was a bartender at Dutch Kills. He created it in 2012. Dutch Kills is one of the milk and honey offshoot bars that makes really great drinks, and I don't think that this one is going to be an exception. So let's get into it and see what we're doing. First things first, half an ounce of simple syrup. By the way, this is a highball. You are going to want a 14-ounce glass. This is an ingredient-heavy cocktail, so you're going to want 14-ounce glass, not a 12-ounce glass. Secondly, half an ounce of lemon juice, 1.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice, 1 ounce of Campari, and 1 ounce of gin. Today we're using Beefeater. We are going to do a nice column of ice today, so we're going to put that in our glass. We are going to add our shaking cubes to the tin, add our cocktail to the tin, try not to spill too much of it, and shake. All right, here we are. And we are going to double strain into our glass. See, this is look at that, almost takes up the whole glass, and this is a 14-ounce glass. And then what we're gonna do is just add a little soda water on top. Then we're gonna cut a little half of an orange. And we are going to add in there. There is a tiny bit of cocktail left. I just want to get, there you have it. The Tarzan. Let's try it. Hey now. Pineapple, Campari dominate the flavor profile. The lemon provides that nice tartness. Simple syrup really kind of like pulls everything together and sort of balances it so that it's not too bitter and not too tart. And then you got the gin, the botanicals of the gin on the back end. There you have it, my friends. Zachary Gelnaw Ruben's Tarzan.